Hi, I'm Will from Tested.
I'm Norm from Tested.
Norm, there's a mouse on the table.
Yeah, we have a mouse and a laptop. This looks awfully like a mouse we've seen before, the Razer Mamba.
Yeah, I tested this out at Maximum PC a few years ago. It is a reasonably good mouse. I liked it for one reason and one reason alone. It is a convertible.
Yeah, convertible mouse, so the top pops down?
Pretty much.
Oh.
Or it goes from being wired to wireless and back again.
But not in the fake wired to wireless just for charging way.
Right.
It actually, when it's wired, it is a wired mouse. Data goes through the cable to the mouse.
It's not a radio. So if you're like on an airplane, someplace you can't use wireless, or if you just battery runs out, or maybe you're just having bad RF that day. There's solar flares and cosmic radiation.
2.4 gigahertz.
You can just plug it right in and it'll be a wired mouse. And the radio's in the cradle. The docking connector is just a USB cable that provides power and data to the mouse or the cradle. The original Mamba has been out for a long time. They've done some new stuff with the sensors. It's dual sensors, right?
Dual sensors. Now, dual sensor technology, they're calling it 4G. It's not something new. We've seen it in other gaming mice before.
Is this like LTE?
Yeah, not really. Apples and oranges. For Razer, though, this is their top of the line mouse. This is their most expensive gaming mouse. Now it has two sensors. There is a laser sensor and an optical sensor.
Why do you need two sensors, Norm?
Well, using the software, you can calibrate X and Y axis independently, which you might not necessarily want to do that.
Oh, that's pro moves only.
Also, you can calibrate when the sensor turns off, depending on how high the mouse is off your mouse pad. So it's up to 6,400 DPI. It's really not overkill. There are a bunch of presets. You can just hit the buttons on the mouse to change,
increase sensitivity,
increase
change
all
DPI.
the way, from like 400 to 6,400.
You played some games with it last night. How did it work, Norm?
I liked it a lot. The mouse I'm comparing to is my current mouse, which is the Cyborg Rat7, a wired mouse.
Which is your current favorite mouse?
Yes, right, I could fine tune it so it almost matched the exact sensitivity of my current mouse at home.
Okay.
But I don't like that the back kind of is low, a little bit low. So it's kind
a
of
little flat.
hybrid for claw and like a palm grip. So I'm a clawer. So I move the mouse just using the fingers.
Okay.
But if you were a palmer...
Yeah, I hold the mouse with the palm.
Yeah.
I found it a little bit low for me when I was doing that.
It could be a little higher up.
It looks like it's ambidextrous, but it's actually not. It stores the configuration profiles in flash memory on the mouse, so if you take it to a LAN party, use it on a different computer, all of your presets are still there, right?
We found the software was a little bit slow to respond once you click apply. It took about 15 seconds for the signal to actually get to the mouse. There is software also on Mac OS X.
Oh, that's
and the software is
relatively new.
exactly the same as Windows. You can do all the stuff, the same thing. So if you're playing games on your Mac, you can get configurability.
So that's the Razer Mamba. It's $130?
That's MSRP. It is a little on the high end.
Yeah, it's pretty expensive for a mouse.
Compare like Logitech's high-end wireless mouse, the G700, it's about $100, and Cyborg's $150. It's not the most expensive mouse.
And like a comparable wired mouse is going to be anywhere from like $50 to $100.
Yeah, like you can get a good wired mouse for like $75. We do love that it is a convertible, though.
That's fantastic.
Well, and it can change colors.
So for Tested, I'm Will.
I'm Norm.
See you guys next time.
Bye.